Hi, this is Joe from the Math Perimeter, where I help to make mathematics accessible, engaging, and approachable through videos, articles, and infographics. This video is part 2 of a 6-part series where I show you how to integrate products of sine and cosine. For more information about this topic, please refer to the article linked in the description. In this video, we will evaluate the integral of sine to the fourth of x cosine to the fifth of x dx. To begin, we factor out a cosine, which gives the integral of sine to the fourth of x cosine to the fourth of x cosine of x dx. We now rewrite the remaining cosines in terms of sine using the Pythagorean identity. This gives the integral of sine to the fourth of x times 1 minus sine squared of x squared cosine of x dx. Next, we let u equals sine of x. The differential is then du equals cosine of x dx. Substituting into the integral, we arrive at the integral of u to the fourth times 1 minus u squared du. Expanding the exponential gives the integral of u to the fourth times 1 minus u squared times 1 minus u squared du. Multiplying out the two binomials gives the integral of u to the fourth times 1 minus u squared minus u squared plus u to the fourth du. Combining like terms, we get the integral of u to the fourth times 1 minus 2u squared plus u to the fourth du. Distributing the u to the fourth term, we obtain the integral of u to the fourth minus 2u to the sixth plus u to the eighth du. Integrating then gives 1/5 u to the fifth minus 2/7 u to the seventh plus 1/9 u to the ninth plus c. Back substituting, we arrive at a final answer of 1/5 sine to the fifth of x minus 2/7 sine to the seventh of x plus 1/9 sine to the ninth of x plus c. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.